Hey guys, programming time here. So today we're going to be talking about F strings or formatted strings. So basically, when do we use F strings? So actually, in some situations, you'll want to use a variable's value inside a string. For example, might want variables to represent a first name and a last name respectively, and then want to combine those values to display someone's full name. So let me give you this example, and let's start off by making a variable first underscore name equals Ada or Ada, and last underscore name equals Lovelace. So if you're wondering who's Ada Lovelace, Ada Lovelace is basically the first person to code and the first person to actually invent coding. And yeah, so now let's use a formatted string. Let's make a variable, and I'm going to be calling it full name equals F to start your formatted string, and then you'll need some quotes, and then you'll need a curly bracket. So what are you going to do with these curly brackets? Basically, you're going to be adding your variable in the curly brackets. So for instance, you can also add or just a normal word before your variable. So for instance, hello, hello, first name, that's going to be Ada, and last name, you'll need some more curly braces. And then we have to print full name. Full name. So you can mess around with this. So let's run our file, or let's run our code to be exact. So hello, Ada Lovelace. And yeah, there you have it. That's how to make a formatted string. So let me show you a simple program that would ask you for your name, and then it will combine your first name and your last name, and then it would say hello before your first and last name. So basically, we're going to be making a variable, and I'm going to be calling it first underscore name equals input first name. So basically what this is going to be doing, it's going to be asking the user for its first name, alright, and then it's going to be also asking the user for its last name. So I'm going to be making another variable as well and call it last name underscore name equals same thing, input last name, Then after that, we're going to be formatting these two. We're going to be using a formatted string. So I'm going to be calling this variable full underscore name equals F quotes curly braces, and then before the curly braces, I'll just say hello, first name, and curly braces. I'm just going to be using an F string to combine the first and last name. and then print full name. And then after we run our code, this would happen. It's going to be asking you for your first name. So let's say our first name is programming. And then it's going to be asking you for your last name, time. And then, I'm sorry, I forgot to add a space, but it's supposed to say hello programming time. So whatever input you're going to put, it's going to say hello, your input, and your first name and your last name. So whatever your name is, it's going to do that. It's going to be asking you. So for instance, your first name is John. Your last name is Hamilton. And then it's going to say hello John Hamilton. And alright. And at the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and especially subscribe. Bye!